Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Choice Reviews for this week's review. Actually, it's an unboxing. In 2 weeks, I'm going to use this product for 2 weeks, and then I'll do a review at that time for it, kind of join it together for you. Today, I'm super excited for what we have in store for you today. We got some active noise canceling headphones from TaoTronics. It's the 2019 version. The product that I got is brand new. It's only been out for a week and a half. As soon as they came out, I bought them. I got them the other day, and I've just been waiting to do this unboxing for you. I want to use them and try them out. So let's see what it is. Okay, I'm not quite sure why Amazon puts these in such big boxes, but here we are. What we've got today is a pair of TaoTronics TT-BH060 active noise canceling headphones. So to give you a little bit of background, I've been looking for a pair of noise canceling headphones. I've got a trip that I'm taking to Japan, and I really wanted them for the plane. I also think that they'll help out pretty good for the editing of my videos, as well as just going to the gym and that kind of stuff. So we'll be testing that out, but for this one, we're just going to be doing the unboxing. Now, I do want to say the previous version of these, the 2018, they got high remarks, but they weren't quite as good as the Bose. One of the biggest problems that they said was the 4.0 and the 4.1 Bluetooth that they had on it created a lot of laggy audio for the movies and stuff off your phones and cameras. So it looks like they went ahead and fixed that on this new version, as well as several other things. I'm not going to bore you with all the details. All the technical details you can find on their website, TaoTronics, as well as on Amazon for this product. I think Amazon is their sole avenue of how they sell. I'm not sure that you can buy it off their website. I think if you go try it, even takes you to Amazon to buy it. But I'll put a link below to Amazon so you can go ahead and take a look at that. So let's go ahead and get to it. So like I said, for a pair of headphones, I think this is a pretty big box, but oh yeah. So you've got your active noise canceling headphones. I really like the case that this has in it. It's got a really nice feel to it, actually. But it's a hard case, so you could easily put this in a backpack or something, or a suitcase, and know it's not going to get crushed. So let's go ahead and put that over there. All right. So we've got headphones. They fold up pretty nice, it looks like. So we'll put those there for a second. Got a couple of cables here. This is the charging cable. It's got the micro USB to a USB, so you can charge that. It's also got an audio cable. I do believe that you can plug this in hardwired to a computer or phone if you wanted to run it that way through the plane or something. I'm not sure it saves any battery, but you have that availability. Also, if you want to split, if you had a splitter on your computer, you're watching a movie and sharing it with somebody, it might be good for that. So here's 18-month warranty. as well as how to contact them if you have any issues. And like I said, their warranty, I've had their products before. I found them to be really good. I've had to send in 2 different sets of headphones, and they, no question, send it back. They don't have any issues with it. And one of them, I think, because they were working, had me send the other ones in, but still shipped me the new headphones right away. And the other one said just toss them since they weren't even working. And I really do like the case. It's kind of a pretty emblem there. These are a fifth of the cost of Bose. So if they're anywhere close to Bose, for me, that's gonna make a huge difference. You know, I like Bose, but they are pretty expensive. I really like this padding. It's really squishy. It almost seems softer than their previous versions. Kind of like that feel. It's got the swivels on it, and I like that. You know, it's got the expanders on it. I like that all the anchor points here, they're not that silver. The previous model, I believe, had silver hinges and everything. I kind of like the way this one is. I like the style of them too. You guys let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below on if you like this style or not. But let's go ahead and try them on. Let's see here. We've got, before we try them on, you've got your USB headset charger there. Let's see. Here's your audio jack if you're plugging in the audio hardwire. Here's your power button, I believe, and volume up and down. And then here's your noise canceling headphones. So yeah, let's see what they feel like. Oh, I really like these. They fit really nice. They're snug, but they're not tight. I have a feeling that I could wear these for a few hours and not really be bugged. Sorry if I got louder, even without the noise canceling on or any music or anything plugged in. It really does a good job at drowning out the sound. So let's see if they'll actually turn on here. I'm not sure if I got to charge it. It's looking to pair a device, so let's go ahead and we'll have to get this paired to a device and see what that looks like. But yeah, let's see if we can turn on that noise canceling and see what that. Again, this is with no music connected or anything, but oh wow, that is a huge difference. You know, I tried to pair the Bose on at the Best Buy, and I think these are just as good, if not better. I can't hear anything. Oh, these are great. Man, even if you just needed them for meditation, you could turn that noise canceling on and just keep these on. I really like these. All right, so in the next clip here, we'll go ahead and charge them up and get them connected to a phone or something, and check out the sound on them. See what that sounds like. Okay guys, I went ahead and got these all charged up and ready to go. And we're gonna go ahead and, I had to get my laptop so we can go ahead and see how easy these connect or hard. So let's see if we can get Bluetooth on here. And we'll go ahead and get these on. You know, one of the things I really like about these headphones with TaoTronics, and it's not just these ones, but across the board, I think, they give you a verbal notification. So they say power on, power off, Bluetooth is connected, that kind of thing, instead of just an audio tone. Just a personal preference thing, I kind of like that. So I'm gonna guess that these are auto pairing. When you go to turn them on, you hold down the power button. Let's see here. You hold it down for a few seconds. Yep, there you go. It says pairing. And it pops right up. We click on the TaoTronics. And now it says that we're paired. Let's turn the music on with the noise canceling off so we can test that first, see how that audio sounds. Let's pull something up here. Oh, wow. Have to turn that down. That's a little loud up front. I really like the bass on this. Really crisp audio on the lows. The mids are really good. Let's go ahead and turn on the noise canceling and see how that sounds. Very nice. It does bring the volume down just a little bit, but without the noise canceling, I had to turn the volume down because it was pretty loud anyway. So I have a feeling these are going to be exactly what I need. I really do like these. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with them. So that was our unboxing, guys. And in a few weeks, I want to test these out for a couple of weeks. But in a few weeks, I post another video on here, a better review more than an unboxing. Do some tests with it, wear them all day at work, do some video editing with it, try them by your freeway, out and about, like that kind of stuff. I really get a good understanding of these and a good review for these, and go from there. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below here. And click the bell so you can get your notifications when I upload my videos on Tuesday nights. And I want to thank you guys for joining us again, and see you in the next video.